Hello and welcome to Eduveda Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about the upcoming CAT exam. The exam is scheduled on 29th of November 2020. Here, we are focusing on the three main parts, which are the syllabus of the exam, the pattern of the exam, and the eligibility criteria for the exam. The CAT syllabus basically comprises of three sections. Number 1, verbal ability and reading comprehension or VARC. Number 2, data interpretation and logical reasoning, also known as DILR. And number 3, quantitative aptitude, also known as QA. Now let's discuss the topics covered under each section. So the topics covered under VARC are vocabulary based synonyms and antonyms, fill in the blanks, sentence correction, close passage, jumbled paragraph, meaning uses match, analogies or reverse analogies, summary questions, facts, inference and judgments, reading comprehension. The topics covered under DILR are bar graphs and line charts, column graphs, Venn diagrams, pie charts and tables, clocks and calendars, sitting arrangements, syllogs, coding decoding, data sufficiency, blood relations, sets and caselets, puzzles, statements, series, direction sense, and assumptions. Now let's talk about the topics covered under QA or quantitative aptitude. The topics are geometry, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, algebra, mensuration, partnership, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, quadratic and linear equation, surds and indices, time, speed and distance, number system, arithmetic and geometric progression, inequalities, time and work, percentages, logarithms and probability. Now coming to the CAT exam pattern. Verbal ability and reading comprehension section will comprise of 34 questions and the time provided will be 1 hour. Data interpretation and logical reasoning will have 32 questions and the time provided will also be 1 hour. Quantitative aptitude will comprise of 34 questions and time here also will be 1 hour. A few more pointers about CAT exam pattern. A total of 100 questions will be asked which will carry 300 marks. CAT doesn't have any descriptive questions. One cannot toggle between sections. An on-screen calculator will be provided. Medium of exam will only be in English. For correct answers, +3 will be awarded, and for incorrect answers, you'll be penalized with -1. MCQ questions will cover 70 to 75 number of questions. 25 to 30 questions will be of non-MCQs, also known as TETA, type in the answer, and incorrect answers for TETA questions won't be penalized with any negative marks. Now let's discuss the last part, which is the eligibility criteria for CAT exam 2020. In order to be eligible for CAT exam, the candidates has to pass at least their bachelor's degree with at least 50%. This applies for general category and for candidates who belong to NC OBC caste. For candidates of SC or ST and differently abled, the percentage required is 45%. For degree to be counted, the university who has awarded the degree has to be recognized by MHRD. If the university awards grades or CGPA instead of marks, the conversion factor given by the university has to be used. If there is no conversion factor specified by the university, the CGPA has to be converted into percentage by direct conversion. That is, divide CGPA by the highest CGPA possible and multiply the answer by 100. Candidates who have completed their professional degrees with over 50% and 45% for SC, ST and PWD are also eligible for CAT. Also, the final year students of all bachelor's degree are welcome to give CAT with the condition that they will clear their bachelor's with the required percentage, which is 45% or 50%. Their result in the further admission processes will be rendered null and void. That's all in this video. Thank you and all the best for your exam.